Eating healthy during the holiday season can be difficult, but it's very doable. One of the good things you could do is that if you had several parties scheduled for 1 week, you could choose 1 or 2 that you know will have your family and friends that you have been waiting to see. Also with food, if there's some parties that you know always has your favorite entree or your favorite appetizer, select those parties and then tell the other parties no gracefully. So if you know you're gonna have a high calorie, high fat party coming up, I would encourage you to maybe adjust your meals for that day. So for breakfast, I might have eggs and fruit, and then lunch, I might have a really big salad with tons of vegetables, healthy fats like avocados, lean proteins like chicken or seafood. So you've adjusted your calories for the beginning of the day to be low, and so that when you have those high calorie items that you love, at the end of the day, the average calories that you've consumed is actually right where it should be. So be sure not to arrive to your parties hungry. If you're able to eat a light snack about an hour before the party, when you walk in the door, you won't be looking for your plate and fill it up with unhealthy options. Many times when you're invited to a party, it'll be potluck or you'll be asked to bring a dish. This is a great opportunity to prepare something that's healthy that you know that you can eat and still stay within your guidelines for healthy eating. Make sure that you follow the healthy plate, where I have a half of my plate filled with vegetables. The other half I'm splitting between my proteins and my carbohydrates. And you also want to make sure that you put those vegetables on that plate first. So the food scale is a good thing to kind of just keep in your head when you're at a party. I have a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being absolutely fantastic, would not eat this. And if I can aim for 9 and 10s, then I'm gonna make sure that I'm choosing wisely and I'm not just mindlessly eating because it was offered. Many times when we're at parties, the food is all set up on this big, beautiful table. If you're able to get your food and then go into another room or find a place where you can sit and get away from the food, you'll help yourself not sit there and eat mindlessly. So we always hear about eat slowly, and they say that because there's science that shows that the brain and the stomach have a little lag time. And so when you eat quickly, a lot of times you'll eat more than you need to because you're not giving your brain time for your stomach to say, hey, I've had enough, I'm good, I'm full. It's holidays, it's not holiday months, it's not holiday weeks. And so if you have a day that's not great, it's okay. Just move on. Don't give yourself a lot of grief and guilt about it. It's gonna be okay. So we hope these tips help you be stronger than temptations. Cheers to your health.